Okay, so let me actually tell you how to connect your Adafruit IO to ESP32. That is, you need to send certain AIO keys. Okay, you have to mention those AIO keys so that you can get connected with it. So see here, you can see that the values have been displayed until what 538 whatever until I've run. So for that you have to create a feed. First, make sure that you create a free account in Adafruit IO. So here I've created my account, and then in feeds you can see put new feed and create a feed. Here I've created something called as distance, and this inside this feed only my all my values are getting like published. So basically in this you can go to this API key. Basically this is a sensitive information, you should not be sharing it, and if you feel that your API key has been seen by someone, try kindly regenerate it so that people can't use it. And this for Arduino, you can see username and the IO key is given. This one we will be using it in our ESP32 code. So that's it about this one, and you will have a values mapping over here. Okay, now let me go to the code. Let us actually walk through to the code. So this is actually DecodeLabs part project 3. So initially I have loaded two libraries, wifi.h and pubsubclient.h. Wi-Fi is making ESP32 to connect to your local Wi-Fi, and pubsubclient.h is used for ESP32 to get connected to the MQTT server. So here I'm using the guest Wi-Fi of Wokwi, and this is the server, Adafruit server, and this is the username and AIO key which we have taken. You have to be placing it over here, and I'm then configuring the pins: trig pin, echo pin, LED pin, and this threshold I have set, that is below 30. When the object comes, I'm gonna make this LED also turn on. That's one thing I've added. And this part comes to the MQTT part, where I'm creating an object called as Wi-Fi client, and then I'm creating pub client, this one called as client. Basically it's nothing but I am just establishing a connection between ESP32 and the MQTT server using like it's just a road. It follows TCP IP protocol. Yeah, and now this is a normal connect Wi-Fi function, where if Wi-Fi is connected, it's just return, or else connected to the using the given SSID and password which you have mentioned. So this is all, and once you connect, you will be getting that Wi-Fi connected IP address and the local Wi-Fi address IP. I'll show you. See here. Connecting to Wi-Fi connected, and then the local IP address. Okay, so then this is like your ESP32 has got connected to the local Wi-Fi. Now I want to get connected to the MQTT, that is Adafruit IO over here. For that, same thing. Initially for connecting, it will give this statement, and you usually have you have to usually give a unique client ID, because if two server or two clients have same unique ID, then the broker would actually totally pause one of the client, right? So to avoid this, we are creating a what to say, we are creating a unique ID. Then after it gets connected, we print connected. Now this is normal function of reading the distance. So basic function, I mean basic a way in which ultrasonic sensor reads the distance or calculates the distance is that trig pin would be initially in low, and then it will be high for sort of like 10 microseconds. During this time it will be sending a particular hertz frequency sound, ultrasonic sound, and the echo pin basically what will be doing is the trig pin will be getting high for 10 microsecond, and it will get low, and then from that time, it will count the time till this echo pin is being high. Once the frequency emitted gets reached the echo pin, after that the echo pin will become low, so the duration will be counted. If the duration is like and you have maximum of 30 milliseconds, that is, if it goes more than that, then it means that there's no object in the nearby state, so it will return -1. You have actually calculated the time and you need the distance, so you multiply it with the speed of the light, and it's like you get the time of to and fro, but you only need the object distance from the sensor, so you just divide by 2. Okay, this is the actual loop that runs, that is void setup loop, where as usual you are having the pin modes. Trick pin is an output pin, LED pin is also an output pin, where echo pin is an input pin. Then you have that client server. This is used to connect your ESP32 to the MQTT. Then you're connecting Wi-Fi. Then this code deals with the what to say, it deals with the part of reading the distance and displaying it. Thank you.